Hey guys, it's Loy here, and in this video I will explain to you why buying every dip does not work, is not profitable, especially if it's an altcoin that is not that great or not top 20 or top 12. And I'll give you a case study. So the technical term of this strategy is it's called dollar cost average. Um, and in this chart, this is a good case study, and this is a real life case study. And I'll use an example of a friend I know. I'll not name anyone in particular. So, for example, this was a popular coin called Icon uh, during 2018, and this coin nowadays, pretty much no one is talking about. And this is Icon was considered the Ethereum of Korea, but nowadays there's another Ethereum of Korea called Luna. So yeah, every few years there's gonna be like the most hyped up ICO or altcoins, and this was one of the most hyped up altcoin in 2018, and you can see why. Look, the ICO price was probably like 10 cent or something, and it shot up to about $14. That's crazy. That's like, I don't even know how many times that is. That's probably like a few hundred times return on your investment. So let's say you heard about some hyped up ICO in 2018, and then when you saw the price, it was already like $9, and you're like, okay, it's too high. Maybe I'll wait for it to dip. So let's say the first dip this is a weekly chart. So let's say the first dip was $8. You see that? It closed one of the week. It closed $8. You'll be like, hey, this is a bargain. It used to be $14 almost. So your first buy will be at $8, and then you're thinking, you got this coin at a very good price, and that it's gonna 10 times again. But in 2 weeks time later, it dropped a lot. Actually, it dropped $4. So and you probably didn't get the exact bottom of $4. So let's say it dropped halfway here, and then you'll be like, oh, it's half the price. Let's buy in instead of $14. It's less than half the price. Let's buy at $5. So that your next entry is let's say $5, and you'll be like, oh shit, this is I am so lucky. I got in at a really low price. Okay, so the first entry is $8. Second entry is $5, and then you're so excited. You're telling all your friends that you're gonna be $1 million in 3 months time, and let's say 3 months time it dropped to $2. Well, $1 something, but it didn't stay there. So it ranged about $2 to $3, and you be, oh shit, I bet I have to cost average, because or else I'm not gonna make any money. And most people only have enough funds to probably buy the dip 3 times. Let's be honest here, okay? No one, the average trader in crypto does not have millions of dollars or unlimited funds. So, and most traders are not going to get the exact bottom here. So let's say the exact bottom was 1.7, and let's say he got in, it bounced 2 quicks, and he got in at $3. So he bought the next dip at $3. So if you average all this out, the average entry will probably be like $5 Yeah, roughly $5. Let's say, let's give let's for okay, let's just say it's $5. We don't have to be um, mathematically correct. So on average, it should be around $5. So let's say the average dollar cost average of this typical trader now is around $5 or 5.50, and then another 6 to 12 months later, it dropped, and he's like, "Oh shit! It's like 1% of the value of the value that I bought it for." So I'm just gonna hold, and he has ran out of money, so he could not buy from the exact bottom. And in 2020 or 2021, we have a new bull market, and the guy would probably be so excited, say, "Oh, ICX is gonna go to the moon. It's gonna go to $10, $20, $30. I mean, look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum. It has to correlate, right?" And well, it kind of correlated, but it's not. It did correlate with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but the problem is there's not enough volume. There's not enough interest, and when Ethereum peaked a few weeks ago, uh, ICX peaked at $3. And let's say you're that guy who dollar cost average in 2018. Your break even point now is $5, right? So at $3, you're gonna think, of course, it's gonna go higher. I mean, look at it. Look at the trend. And of course, at $3, you're not gonna sell your holdings at a loss, right? Because your break even is $5. So you hold, and then it crashes again. And then this is the start of a new bear market. And at $1, you still lost 80% of your total investment in buying the dip. So as you can see here, that's the problem with buying every dip, or literally buying the dip for any altcoin. And statistics is on my side. Sure, there is about 7 altcoins that survived the 2018 crash and broke new all-time highs. And those coins were like, some of them include, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Litecoin. I think another one was Link. I don't know the whole list on the top of my head, but you get the point. The point is there's only 7 coins that recovered from its 2018 all-time highs. 7 out of about 10,000 or so altcoins out there. So what are your chances? Your chances on paper, at least, is 0.01% chance that buying every dip on an altcoin will work out for you. And you might say, "Oh, my coin is it's a really good tech. It's good. It's a good project. Has has such and such backing it and all that crap." Like this company, you can research this company. Yeah, they're over promising as well. They were saying all these company were using Icon, were backing them up, and it's all BS. It's all hyped up, and I'm seeing all these the same trend again this year. So you gotta be smart. You can't just buy every dip. And you might say, "Okay, Lloyd, if you don't buy every dip, what is your other option?" Okay, so I will tell you now. Your other option is, if you don't know technical analysis, you could either follow someone who know technical analysis, and instead of buying every dip, you buy during the bottom. You don't have that, and that expert does not have to be me. I'm not trying to sell anything here, But you should invest. What I'm trying to say is you should invest in market analysis or technical analysis, and you should do some research, and you should be patient. Like for example, the reason why you should be patient is when crypto enters a bear market, it's gonna stay here for like the last bear market lasts for 12 months, and if you include the range in 2019, it's like 18 months or something like that. So, it's not going to go, crypto is not going to go anywhere. You don't have to FOMO, you know, and this is a classic example. And you might say, oh, this is just one case, but do your own research. You don't have to believe me, but I'm telling you right now, statistically, 99.9% of altcoins did not make it from 2018, did not recover from its 2018 highs. And if you don't believe me, that's fine. Do your own research. All I'm sharing are the facts, and you can fact check me and make up your own mind. So I do believe perhaps we could be entering a new bear market. So you guys gotta be careful with altcoins. Altcoins is the wild west. It's worse than the casino. Maybe not as worse, because sure you lose 99%, but you didn't lose all your money. In the casino, you can probably lose all your money if you just gambling your money, your funds away. So yeah, there you have it. Hopefully I saved some some investor from jumping in too soon or buying every dip. Please, like for goodness sake, please be more patient. Like I don't like seeing people lose their money, because I've traded for 2018 and it was ugly. Like I've seen people who made $1 million to have it, like it was a lesson of greed. When they were up $1 million, they were like, oh, we're just gonna go higher. I'm gonna make 10 million, but they didn't. They don't understand economic theories like zero-sum game or the rule of long-term moving average and bull and bear cycles. So please be careful and take your time. My best advice is, if you don't want to pay for technical analysis or market analysis, learn it yourself. It took me 10-15 years to get good, but some people, I'm a slow learner, but some people can pick it up faster than me. But please do not buy every dip. Just save your money and wait for a big sale. And yeah, that's about it. If you like this tip, or if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up on the video. And if you don't like my advice, that's fine. You can you click on the thumbs down twice. And thanks for watching. And if you want to follow me, you want more videos, subscribe to this channel, because if I get more subscribers, I'll definitely do more videos. Thank you.